You didn't wake up at 3 a.m. by accident. Your body did it deliberately. There's a biological alarm system inside you. It fires at the exact same time every night. Most people spend years fighting it, not knowing they're fighting themselves. Tonight that changes, because once you understand the 90-minute cycle doing this to you, you can stop it in one night. Your sleep isn't one long rest, it's cycles. Each one lasts exactly 90 minutes. Deep sleep, light sleep, deep again, light again. At the end of every light sleep phase, your brain briefly surfaces, checks the environment, goes back down. You never notice. But here's what happens at 3 a.m. specifically. Your last deep sleep cycle ends around 90 to 120 minutes after midnight, and your brain rises into its lightest sleep of the entire night, right at 3 a.m. every single night for everyone. That's not a disorder, that's your architecture. The question is, why can't you go back down? Here's the mechanism nobody explains. At 3 a.m., cortisol starts rising, not because something is wrong, because something is right. Cortisol is your wake-up hormone. Your body produces it hours before sunrise, gets you ready to face the day. In a healthy body, you barely notice the 3 a.m. surface. You go straight back under. But here's what chronic stress does. It keeps your cortisol baseline elevated all day and all night, so when your natural cortisol rise begins at 3 a.m., it overshoots, way past the threshold that allows sleep. Your brain interprets that spike as a danger signal, pulls you fully awake, heart pounding, mind racing, on full alert for absolutely nothing. There's a second mechanism firing at the same time. Your blood sugar. You ate dinner, your body digested it, burned through the DAV glucose. By 3 a.m., reserves are critically low. Your brain runs on glucose exclusively. When it dips at 3 a.m., your body fires one signal, adrenaline. That adrenaline wakes you up fast, heart pounding, thoughts racing, convinced something is wrong. That was your body trying to feed your brain, not anxiety, not stress, survival biology. And here's where it gets worse. That adrenaline spike elevates cortisol further. Now both systems are firing simultaneously. Cortisol overshoot and adrenaline alarm at the same moment, at 3 a.m. every night. Your liver was supposed to prevent all of this. It stores glucose reserves specifically for overnight, releases them slowly, keeps your blood sugar stable until morning. But chronic stress corrupts that process. Cortisol tells your liver, hold the glucose, keep it in reserve. There might be an emergency. So your liver holds. Blood sugar crashes, adrenaline fires. You wake up at 3 a.m. every single night. Your liver and cortisol locked in a feedback loop, one triggering the other. And you're the one who can't sleep. Here's what actually breaks the cycle. Two things. Both work tonight. One, a small amount of complex carbs before bed. Not a meal, a few oats. One piece of whole grain toast. That's it. It gives your liver enough glucose to last until morning. Blood sugar stays stable. No crash, no adrenaline, no 3 a.m. alarm. 2. 10 minutes of slow breathing before sleep. In for 4 seconds. Out for 6. That extended exhale activates your parasympathetic system, drops cortisol baseline enough that the natural 3 a.m. rise doesn't overshoot. Both fixes together. Most people stop waking at 3 a.m. within 2 nights. Not weeks. 2 nights. Your body wasn't broken. It was doing exactly what it was built to do, with a fuel system running on empty and a stress hormone stuck in overdrive. Fix the fuel, lower the baseline. Your 90-minute cycle runs clean again. Tonight. Your body is doing this right now. Subscribe to understand it.